How to use ChatGPT SEO in 2025 and your shortcut to authority. So, first, let me break the bad news. Hashtags are dead. Instagram and TikTok do not care how many you stack at the bottom of your captions anymore. What actually gets you seen in 2025 are keywords, alt text, and engagement. And the easiest way to nail all three without staring at a blinking cursor is ChatGPT. Let me show you how to do this. So, next to AI, social media has quietly become a search engine. People type in how to grow my business without ads or best workout for busy moms right into the TikTok search. Instagram's the same way. If your captions, alt text, and even your comments don't include those natural keyword phrases, you're invisible. And on top of all that, platforms keep changing the rules. Yesterday it was hashtags, today it's keywords, tomorrow it'll be engagement triggers. And that's why you need a system, not another growth hack. And honestly, that's where ChatGPT comes in. So here's the exact framework I use and you can steal. I tell ChatGPT, write me 3 Instagram captions under 150 words each. Each caption should use natural keyword phrases my audience searches for, add 2 to 3 questions that spark comments or DMs, end with a soft CTA like save this for later, suggest all in alt text for the image that's keyword rich but conversational. Notice I'm not asking for hashtags, I'm asking for keywords in plain language because people aren't searching for hashtags anymore. They're searching like they would if they typed a question into Google. Let me show you the difference. The old way a caption would work, it would say, excited to launch my new offer, hashtag business growth, hashtag entrepreneur, hashtag marketing life. Nobody searches like that. The new way with ChatGPT SEO would be something like this. Struggling to grow your business without dumping money into ads? Here are 3 organic growth strategies I've used to hit 6-figure months. Save this for later if you're tired of wasting ad spend. Do you see the difference? One's an absolute dead end. The other matches what real people type into search, and that sparks engagement. All right, let's zoom out super quick because the real secret is ChatGPT SEO. And it only works if AI knows you exist. The fastest way to do that is piggybacking on other people's authority. So if you don't want to write keyword heavy blogs for the next 2 years, here are 6 hacks you can follow. Piggyback on authority domains. Guest post on Forbes Councils, Medium, LinkedIn, or Substack with traction. AI trusts those URLs way more than your brand new blog. Number 2, get quoted in roundups. Sign up for HARO or Quoted. Journalists are begging for expert quotes. Drop sharp answers with your name and business attached, and you'll start showing up in articles AI actually scrapes for information. Exploit LinkedIn SEO. Optimize your tagline and about section with niche keywords and post consistently with how-to style headlines. And if you can, get featured in LinkedIn newsletters. AI absolutely goes bananas over those. It loves those. Number 3, leverage Wikipedia, adjacent directories. If you can't land a Wikipedia page just yet, go for industry directories, top 10 lists, conference bios. These get indexed like crazy. 4, use PR distribution. Press releases like Amanda Hanks launches Copybot, AI-powered copywriting tool. They get syndicated across dozens of sites. AI does not care if they're fancy, it just sees authority mentions. Own conversational keywords. Answer questions on Quora, Reddit, Twitter. Every breadcrumb you drop ties your name to your expertise. When you pair ChatGPT SEO prompts with these accelerators, you're not just writing better captions, you're training the internet to recognize you as the go-to authority in your space. More search hits, more eyeballs, more conversions. That's how you beat the algorithm in 2025. If you want my full library of ChatGPT SEO prompts, go ahead and save this in the comments and I'll hook you up. And don't forget to subscribe. Every week I drop practical strategies to turn your words into predictable revenue. I'm Amanda with Cashflow Copy, and I'll see you next week.